Well, hello, my lovely Gemini, and welcome to your yearly forecast for the year 2021. I'm going to be looking at all the aspects of your life that I get answers about or guidance about. Let's see what's coming for you in the year 2021. I hope, wish, and pray that there's a lot of love, luck, and success in the year 21 for you. Please hit the subscribe button and also the bell notification icon for me so you get notified when I'm live or when I upload a video for you. What messages do I have for Gemini? Also, I would request you to please hit the like button if this reading helps you. Gemini, your overall energy for the year 2021 is the High Priestess. You are going to be getting a huge amount of spiritual downloads. Your intuitive abilities are sharpening with great speed. I also see a motherly figure or a feminine energy very strongly present around you or of a lot of importance to you. I feel like, Gemini, that with the spiritual downloads coming in for your sign, you could be having some sleepless nights, or there could be some decisions you need to make in the year 21, and these could be really important ones. I also feel like you may begin with the year feeling a little scattered, but you are definitely progressing with a lot of speed. You're gaining insights into your situation and abilities that you're supposed to work with. With the Page of Pentacles and the Ten of Wands, I feel like you could try to carry on too many things on your shoulders all at once, but that's not going to be of any harm to you. Let me draw you more cards and see what I get for you. You get the card of the Emperor. What you don't see is the card of the Emperor. You get Justice. This is the Libra energy. Emperor is the Aries energy. I'm seeing that, Gemini, you are far more powerful in your organization and logic, and you're creating something or structure, or creating a plan in your mind, and you're a lot more disciplined in the year 2021 as well. I feel like your leadership qualities are coming to the fore. And with the Justice energy, with the Libra energy, you are going to try and strike a balance in every aspect of your life. Everything that has been seeking your attention or has been wanting you to take action, you're going to go ahead and do that well in the year 2021. And you're going to make some decisions for sure. So like I said, with the Nine of Swords energy and the Seven of Cups energy, you could be pulled in many directions about taking a decision. But here, I feel like you are definitely going to know what decisions they are and how you need to proceed with them. You're going to stand up for your beliefs for sure with the Justice energy is what I see here, Gemini. With the Three of Fire is the Three of Wands energy. I feel like a lot of abundance is set for you here in the year 2021, and things are definitely looking very good. This is going to come in after April for some of you, and after June for some of you, Gemini. You're going to have to make long-term plans, because when you get the card of Three of Fire, Three of Wands, when you have plans in order, so that is when you know that you need to proceed in a certain way, and that's why you've got the card of the Emperor also. So organize yourself, plan yourself well, because you are going to be moving at a very stable and good speed here in the year 2021. Something that you've been feeling stuck with is going to see resolution here. These cards are pre-shuffled. Please hit the like button for me. What messages for Gemini? Spirit, what messages do you have for Gemini? I get the Star. Gemini, you're definitely in for a lot of luck and abundance in the year 2021. And I get that this is the Aquarius energy, and we are in the Aquarian age now. We are stepping into the Aquarian age now. And for you to get this energy, this means that you're very much in an alignment with your soul purpose and with the universe at this time, and trust that you are being guided by the higher sources here. Hard times are over for you. You should definitely look forward to a time of abundance, happiness, enthusiasm, and positivity. I also feel like Gemini, you are also expanding your social circle, but this has got to do with not too many people coming in, but the kind of people who are coming in are very, very helpful to you for taking you forward in your life. You are not going to be catering to anybody or not going to be wasting your energy on anyone who does not have a purpose in your life anymore. They're going to be around for sure. You're not cutting off ties 100%, but you're not giving them any more energy. That's what I get for you. Let me draw you some cards from the oracle for Gemini, please. For Gemini, feel like wow. Wow, you get the card of discovery and you get the card of completion, Gemini. Something you've been looking for is going to come to you. You know, there's a saying, what you seek is seeking you. I feel that is exactly what is happening for your sign in the year 2021. Something you're looking for is also looking for you. So that is coming to you, and this brings in blossomed happiness into your life. I feel like a lot of you Geminis could also find true love, or could be looking for people. You know, I feel like with this, I'm getting like a soulmate energy coming into your life, but this could be more towards the end of the year. And of course, our personal timeline comes into purview when we're looking at anything, because this is a general reading. And I also see like there's a completion to a situation or something that has been on your mind, on your back, on your has been, you know, on your nerves as well. That situation is definitely coming to an end. Yeah. Let me see what more the oracle cards have to say for you. You get the card of vast vistas. You also get the card of valiant courage. Geminis, I feel like you are going to not be just where you are. You're going to expand your horizons in the year 2021. And you are going to, I'm also seeing for a lot of you Geminis that you may be willing to experiment with new ways of earning or new ways of life. Some of you Gemini are even taking up a different lifestyle than what you've known. You could be paying more attention to healthy practices like yoga, morning walks, or following a good diet and a healthy regime. So, here with the card of Valiant Courage, I also feel like whatever this is you're feeling guided to, you're going to take action with a lot of passion here in the year 2021. And this year is not going to hold you back anymore. You've been feeling stuck for a while. Let me see what more messages coming for your sign. And then I'm going to be drawing you some crystals, some messages from the crystals from Spirit. Let's see. Wow, we have a card for you. We get the card of rejuvenating rain and solitude. You are clearing the past and you are being asked to heal your present. Whatever it was in your past, let that go with the year 2020. You're not even going to take the name of this year anymore, because you are only moving forward from here. And I feel like this is going to be one landmark year in your life. And also, year 2023 is what I'm hearing from the Spirit. Whatever you're doing right now is going to give you beautiful results in the year 2023, but not that 21 is going to leave you empty handed. It's going to give you a lot more confidence, good people, great opportunities that's coming your way. And I also get the card of solitude. You're going to prefer a lot of lone time by yourself, and that's getting you or helping you understand the divine downloads that you're getting for you in the year 2021. You could be getting a lot of this information in your mind in the early hours that I call the Brahma Muhurt. And do go ahead, Google, and find out what is Brahma Muhurt. And now let me draw you some messages from the crystals from Spirit. Your spirit animal in the year 2021 is the rabbit. I get like you're going to appear all calm and meditative from outside, but you're going to be this person who's waiting to jump on the opportunities or just take on what is coming their way. else? I'm also seeing a house. Some of you, Gemini, could be buying a new house or changing your house or residence or new property in the year 2021. I'm also getting travels. There are definitely a lot of travels set for you in the year 2021. And I'm seeing a lot of whining and dining as well, Gemini. If you've been holding yourself back for some time now, no more you're going to be staying in that situation. If your electrical work has been pending, please take care of that. And for some of you, Gemini, I'm also seeing flooring or tiling, groundwork that's pending or that needs to be done. You need to take care of that in the year 2021 as well. Remember, every part of our house of our life is concerned with some aspect in astrology. So if you're taking care of external world, you're also helping take care of the energies there in that house in your astrological chart. So do take care of these things. Health wise, you need to be a little careful, Gemini, with your eye, your heart, and your kidneys. Not that this is just going to hold true for everybody, but this is what I'm seeing from the spirit for whoever is listening to this. And I'm seeing that you're going to engage in a lot of greenery. This could be you traveling to green places, or this could be you planting more trees and gardening. But being in nature is going to be one very strong theme for you. And I'm also getting number three is a very strong lucky number for you in the year 2021. All right, Gemini, I hope this reading helps. Please give it a thumbs up and do leave in the comment section below how you are going to grow in the year 2021. And if you'd like a free reading from me, do comment and leave a yes in the comment box below. I'll get back to you. Until we meet again, bye bye. Stay safe and stay blessed.